Hello and welcome all. Today we will see what is an operational amplifier. Operational amplifier is used in electronic circuits in everywhere. This is the symbol of an operational amplifier. We have to give a supply to the operational amplifier. This supply may be positive and negative, or it may be positive or ground, and there are two inputs are there. One is called non-inverting input and other is called inverting input. How it is work? Before that we will check a circuit where we have giving an input of 5 volts. We connect a charger to this circuit. It is an MOSFET or a transistor. What we want in the capacitor is that we want 3 volt and the input is 5 volts. What we do is when the output reaches 3 volts, the operation amplifier has to off this transistor. So what will happen is that when the output voltage reaches 3 volt, when the capacitor is charged to 3 volts, the operational amplifier senses the inverting input, senses it and off the transistor or MOSFET. So we can maintain the 3 volt. This is the function of the operational amplifier in this circuit. It is used as a comparator. For comparing this voltage, we have to give a reference. Here the reference voltage is 3 volt. For that we are giving a Zener diode of 3 volts. From the supply we connect a Zener voltage. So the voltage at the non-inverting input will be 3 volt. Whenever the voltage at the inverting input reaches 3 volts, what will happen is that the output goes to 0. Output goes to 0 means this is an NPN transistor. So what the base has to be positive with respect to as the output voltage become 3 volt, the non-inverting input becomes 3 volt, the output voltage becomes 0 and therefore it is switched off. This is what is happening here. How the operation amplifier is working? For that we will check the internal circuit of the operation amplifier. We are giving this plus volt here, and if we are not taking negative voltage, we are taking only a ground. A ground is put here. These two are the same. This is the non-inverting input and this is the inverting input. This is the non-inverting input and inverting. Here is we are giving the 3 volt reference voltage. We are giving reference voltage. This is 3 volt non-inverting input. The base is more positive, so electron from the ground passes through the transistor, through the resistor to the positive side. If we are giving 5 volts, it is going like this. Then what is happening is that the voltage, this is opened and this becomes a resistor and these two are become resistors. So when electron passes through that, the voltage at this point, when the voltage at this point becomes less. Earlier when it is not conducting, when it is off, the transistor is off, the full 5 voltage is appearing here. When it is on, the electron gets this path to go through the positive side. When it is off, the electron has no other path. So when plus voltage is applied, this is on. When this is on, the electron goes through like that, and the voltage 5 voltage become less. When the voltage becomes less, this is an NPN transistor and this is a PNP transistor. When for a PNP transistor, when the base voltage becomes negative or decreased, it becomes on. For a NPN transistor, it has to be plus. As the base voltage is increasing, it conducts more heavily, or the resistance reduces and more electrons flow through that. But in case of a PNP transistor, it has to be more negative. As it is more negative, more electrons goes through it. When the non-inverting input is high, it conducts heavily, and the voltage available here is less, so also on. So more output voltage is available at the output, so the transistor remains on. But instead of that, when this voltage becomes high, means this 3 volt is goes on increasing. As this voltage goes on increasing, the electrons from this side find two paths. One path is this and one path is that, and the electron flows through this path also. This path also means the voltage across it is increased, so that the voltage at this point becomes more positive. So the voltage at this point means this point, at this point becomes more means the difference between this point become less. So it becomes less conductive. Less conductive means the resistance is increasing. Resistance of increasing means the input voltage becomes more. As the input voltage becomes more, this is a PNP transistor, and as the base voltage is become more positive, the electron flow through this will be reduced. This become more positive means it will not conduct more. It has higher resistance, so the electron from this will be reduced, or the path become more tougher for electrons. So this voltage does not appear here. That means the voltage is going to decrease. The output voltage is going to decrease. Just more than 3 volts. Current through this will be more. So the voltage drop across this resistor will be more, and it becomes an open circuit, and whole 5 voltage will appear here. As the voltage is appearing here, the drop across the transistor becomes non-conductive. It becomes an open circuit, and there will be no voltages available. This is this case. As this voltage reaches at 3 volt, there will be no more voltage, and this transistor become off, and output voltage remains at 3 volt. As drops from 3 volt, again the switch will open, and this process is continuous. This is the working principle of an operational amplifier.